This study is, well, actually it reflects a trend right now for painted studies, and we've seen some gray ones. I did render this in gray, and I found out later that it is going to be dark blue, which is going to be really stunning. But what makes this study most exciting is actually what's not going on, because this is really a simple study. The squares are laid out really evenly. Everything flows into everything else, and it's just a sense of order when you come in the room, and it's going to be a really comfortable place to do your work. With wainscoting, you can go as far as you want. A lot of more traditional looks, I consider this a transitional look. There will be molding inside the squares, or even raised panels, which is when the panels kind of pop out. And then on top of that, a raised panel and a molding around. So it's just a question of layers, and this is really stripping back the idea of wainscoting to its most basic form. We call it transitional, but it's just a lot cleaner, but still following those same classical lines that people just love and that really say home to them.